welcome back to my channel. I have my first YouTube merch and it's from my girl Kimberly Flanagan. She had a sale on her website this weekend and this came yesterday, Wednesday. Didn't pay for shipping, so I feel like that came really quick. And she was doing little special like bonuses if you ordered that weekend. And then we were supposed to meet up when she came out here last, and I had to do an emergency flight. I will not go into it, but I had to go back east. But I knew I'd be back in time to see my girl. Well, turns back to flying back. We had the most horrible flight experience ever. We will probably never fly with this airline again. But by the time I made it back, as much as I wanted to spend time with her and her husband, and same with my husband, I had no energy left in me, and had to work the following, like a few days, like a day or two later. So I just needed to recover and get back into a routine. So we've already spoke. We have plans to meet up the next time they're back in Vegas, or whenever me and my husband make our trip to Cali. So no further ado, I kind of have an idea of what my special gift was, because she made a little video on Instagram. You should check her out there. But she brought a gift when she came to Vegas. So I'm like, this is a really special gift. She puts a bow on the shirt. I was actually worried about when I ordered this, because I ordered a small. Oh, Kim. I also ordered a spoon and it came out perfect. Oh. I'm definitely gonna be ordering. Oh, I knew I should have ordered the full set. So hold on, I'm really, quality. Kim, your videos don't do your spoons, your utensils justice. You will be seeing a lot of this in my videos. I got it for recipes and stuff. Oh, I'm so happy I got the big one. Thank you, Kim. Oh, you did a great job with the carving. I'm so happy it fit. Here comes the shirt. So I was scared to get a small, and then my husband bought me a medium shirt recently, and I'm so happy I got small. Coffee and vlogs, keeping up with the Flanagans. I'm so excited. This is gonna be my new weekend shirt. In fact, 1 minute. Yeah, buddy. It fits. I have a bikini top on, so it'll look better with the bra. Oh. And I love black. Okay, so that's what I ordered. I haven't even seen the special stuff. Well, I know one of the special gifts, but this spoon though, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the part that I knew about. Me and Kim, we have an addiction to Clif bars, and I'm not mad at it, but this is her favorite, and I've never had it. Mine is the peanut butter, the almond vanilla. It tastes like nougat when you buy it, and they have a cookies and cream and a chocolate crunchy peanut butter. Hold on, there we go. So I told Kim I would film me trying this, but it's very early and I still kind of do intermittent fasting, so I don't know, maybe I'll stop this video and then I'll come back and record my reaction. I didn't tell her because I'm still willing to try it. Your taste buds change. I'm not a big mint person. along chocolate and mint, but it's been so long since I've tried one that I'm trying this just for you, Kim. You never steer me wrong. Your carrots and peanut butter is still banging. So this was the surprise gift, and I kind of heard it. Oh. Kim, if you make me cry on camera. Okay. She's probably like, beep. Open it up faster. Kim. This is going in a special book. And just know, much love. Oh. Kim, you. Oh, Kim. And I was looking at this one on your website. You guys just have to go. Oh. Check my girl out. She's amazing. So inspirational. And even if you're not vegan, you'll love her channel. I'm sorry. I'm like tearing up over here. I'm just trying to get you guys to see what. It's not coming up good. It says, find joy in the journey. So true. And it says me versus me, and it has a heart dangle. Oh my God, Kim. Oh, it fits. I love these. I will wear this all the time. This video just got even. Thank you, Kim. I'm gonna leave all her links down below, and if you go to her channel, leave a comment in her video, please. I don't even, what kind of emoji? Give her the arms, the guns, like, say Sara sent you and put the guns, like the arms, the gun show. I love it. Oh, Kim. I told you why I ordered this, but I feel like it's not enough. I got mad love for you, girl. And thank you so much. And I hope you guys like these unboxings. I think I might go back to doing a few review videos on some kitchen gadgets. I'll be purchasing them. Obviously, I'm a small YouTube channel. I have no sponsors. Anything that you've ever seen on my channel, I've bought personally with my money. So I was thinking about doing some reviews and maybe even a couple giveaways. I don't know yet, but I definitely gonna have some reviews coming soon and more recipes as always. And if you're still waiting on the Q&A, I think me and my husband are gonna be recording that this weekend. We have opposite schedules, but we have the same days off. So hopefully we can get that done this weekend for you guys. And once again, go check out my girl Kimberly Flanagan here on YouTube. I'll leave all her links down below, even for her store. I can't wait. I don't even know what recipe I'm gonna make first with this spoon, but it's going down. And if I don't come back and record this here, it'll probably be on my Instagram story. I'm so excited. Thank you again so much, Kim, and thank you all for watching. This is my first YouTube merch. I'm so excited. Thank you, Kim. Bye, you guys. Until next time. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. I accidentally already opened it. I have the mint chocolate builder bar that Kim sent me. It's a little bit later, as you can tell. I did my hair, showered. I put it in the fridge. Now, this bar normally doesn't look like this, but it's Vegas. It's hot. But I put it in the fridge. It doesn't smell that minty, so I guess that's a plus for me. But I'm hoping I love this because I love these Clif bars, especially, I told you, the vanilla and the peanut butter is my favorite. If you're doing Weight Watchers, these bars are 10, 5 for half. I don't even know if this would be considered 1/3 of it, but here it goes. I think it would be better not from the fridge, like leave it out on your counter. So this is a little too hard for me. It's not bad. Obviously, I'm going for a second bite, but I would definitely finish it, but I don't think I would buy this again. Or maybe I would. I don't know. I definitely like it more than other mint stuff. This would be good. But see, it's a meal replacement. I was about to say, this would be good after like a dinner that left a funny taste in your mouth and then have some mint to like clean it up. You know what I mean? But I'm not mad at it. I do think you need to be a mint lover. But it's one of the, this reminds me of when they do the veggie or VeganCuts box. They order them to see if they like the product so they don't waste their money on buying like a full package. Kim, you just saved me money on a Built Bar. I know this isn't my go-to, but I ain't mad at it, and I didn't have to waste money. So you were my VeganCut box this week. I might take this the rest of this to work. I have some Weight Watcher guys that work with me and let them try it. But Kim, my love, once again, thank you. And I know people are gonna be watching like, you bought it, so why do you keep thanking her? Me and Kim communicate a lot on Instagram, and she's very motivational. And just her intro to when we did the collab, like, I loved it so much I put it on my big screen and I recorded it. And she's the reason I actually had to do the math, because since I've started Weight Watchers, yeah, I've lost like 72, 75 pounds. But if I go back from my highest weight into where I am now, I've lost 105 pounds. And that didn't hit me until I saw her and her. Oh, I'm emotional. My period must be coming. So she's just a very kind-hearted woman and very supportive and encourages me to do this channel. A lot of you guys do. My family is behind me 100%. And even if I don't ever get big on here, just to share my journey, maybe I can help somebody. Like, there's people that I know that watch this channel and was like, if I ever feel down or feel like giving up, I'm watching your 102 pound loss video because you're just so motivational. And Kim was that to me. A lot of people have been that to me, and just to have her support and friendship, it means a lot. It does. So on that note, I don't want this to be a crying channel. Much love to all of you on whatever journey you're on, if it's Weight Watchers, keto, vegan, vegetarian, paleo, whatever you want to call it. You're not even on a weight loss, you're trying to get pregnant, whatever the case may be. I wish you nothing but success, positive vibes, and love, and I hope all of you guys have a wonderful day. I feel like I just babbled on. So on that note, thank you for watching, and thank you for always coming back. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I'm trying to upload more than I have in the past. I mean, I do have a full-time job that takes a lot, and I'm still on this journey. I may have hit goal, but you got to maintain, because there's no going back. Because if you never stop, you never have to restart. That's what I've been reading. So on that note, have a blessed day, and I will see you guys soon. Nothing but love. Bye, guys.